In this movie, we will work on this dashboard page as we don't have any page with the name of dashboard.php. And that page will be served as the main page of our admin panel. So this page of post.php, I'm gonna save this file as, first of all, bringing that file. That file is right here at the end. So I will save this file as dashboard.php. So changing first its title, going down to the header. So instead of blog post, it will have dashboard as a text. And for font awesome, I will go with fa-cog. So if I save this one, bring this page of dashboard. So this will be our page. Now, first of all, let's delete all of this table from here. So going down, so deleting whole table. So we have just one row, one div of call lg12 and our section with the class of container. So saving this one, refreshing this page, that's it. So now in this page of dashboard.php, first we will have our left side area in which we will show the total number of comments, admin and categories, also posts. Then we will have our main right area that will take around 10 columns. So in the first two columns we have our side area, and in the rest 10 columns we will have our main area. So back to my editor, first moving these session messages inside our row, and then we will have our div with the class of call lg-2, and let's add the comment here. Okay, so inside this call lg2 we will have couple of cards. So right here I will add one div with the bootstrap class of card, and the text will be in the center and giving it some background to dark, and our text will be white and giving margin bottom of 3. Then inside this div we will have another div with the bootstrap class of card dash body, and then we will have our h1 tag with the class of bootstrap, which is lead, and for the text I will posts as a text. Then we will have h4 with the bootstrap class of display dash 5, and for the content I will have one font awesome. So the font awesome class will be fab fa dash read me, and for the text I will just put, let's say, 100. So saving this one, let's see what it's gonna look like. See, we have this card here. So same like this card, I will add couple of more cards. So I can copy this whole card and paste it right here. So this one will be for categories, and font awesome I'm gonna choose will be fa dash folder, FAS. So same like this, let's add one more card. Admins, FAS FA dash users. You have to wait a bit so that font awesome can fetch this icon from the website. Why it's not working? So it should be FAS FA dash users, like this. Then we will have another div that will be for comments, and the font awesome will be FAS FA dash comments. So these will be the 4 card here. If I minimize my window, you can see these cards like this. If you want your cards not to appear on medium screen, you can add the Bootstrap class that will make these cards not to be appear in the medium screen. So for example, I have to go to the call lg-2 and I will say here display none when d-md-block. So if I save this one, and first let's refresh this page. So if I go to the larger screen, it's still showing me these cards. And right after collapsing from medium screen to the smaller screen, you will not see those cards like this. So if I go again to the medium screen, it's showing me all these cards. On the larger screen you can see these cards, but the time when I'm gonna change to the smaller screen, the cards are not here anymore. So it's a very good UI not to show some content at certain breakpoint. So in this movie I just added these cards. In the next movie I will fetch total number of posts by using PHP inside this file of dashboard.php.